Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to select button navigation on Pixel phones. Most of the modern phones are coming with gesture navigation default. So to change that, it is very simple. Just open your menu by swiping up, then select settings application, then select display and touch. Okay. After that, just swipe up the screen for navigation mode. Then you can see option of navigation mode. Open that and it is currently on just on navigation. You can see the animation here, how to do how these things work. Select 3 button navigations, then it will be changed. Okay, now it is on 3 button navigation. You can simply press that triangle for going back and press circle for home button, then press triangle for access recent applications. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.